I'm going to be putting on some of the Tatti inviilashes today, so I thought I'd show you. What I have in front of me is the lashes, the bond and the seal. One of these thingies, this thing. I'm just going to apply the bond on the base of the lashes. I'm going to take a 14mm, apply that, and just push it upwards. A little bit more bond for good measure. Middle part here. I'm going to apply one more, but I'm going to cut it in half. There, I think that finishes off that row quite well. I'm going to clamp them down, make sure they're all stuck down well. I'm going to apply this seal to the bit where we've applied bond. I've actually got a little cotton pad here as well to wipe off any glue, otherwise it's going to keep sticking. I actually saw a video where someone put a lot of the seal on the tweezers, kind of clamped it down, so I'm going to try that. The final look one side done. I'm going to do the other side, then I'm going to let you know my thoughts. Okay, so I'm finished now. You can see there's no lash band. They're very secure, I feel quite comfortable, and it looks like I had my lashes done. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it looks.